Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss Uniform Civil Code, which is important for UPSC and it is in news because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given some statements regarding this. Okay, so we have to discuss it. What is its history? What is its position in the constitution? Okay, so it is in the article 44 of Indian constitution, which is DPSPs, and DPSPs means directive principles of state policy, and these principles are not legally enforceable in the court, and it means कि ये guide करते हैं state को for making many policies regarding the welfare of the state, regarding the welfare of the society. Okay, and ये promote करते हैं integration and gender justice. And the only state which has uniform civil code is Goa, which has retained its common family law, that is Goa Civil Code. और ये तब हुआ था जब ये liberate हुआ था from the Portuguese rule in 1961. And the rest of India follows different personal laws based on their religious or community identity. Personal laws जो हैं वो currently not only for Muslims available हैं, बल्कि Hindus, Jains, Buddhists, Sikhs, Parsis and Jews are also governed by these laws. Okay, they also have their own personal laws. And ये जो पर्सनल लॉज हैं ये डिटरमाइन करते हैं रिलीजियस आइडेंटिटी, सो दैट एवरी रिलीजन हैज इट्स ओन पर्सनल लॉ. ओके, तो कुछ चैलेंजेस भी हैं वाइल इम्प्लीमेंटिंग यूसीसी. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दीज चैलेंजेस. डाइवर्स पर्सनल लॉज एंड कस्टमरी प्रैक्टिसेस, रेजिस्टेंस फ्रॉम रिलीजियस एंड माइनॉरिटी ग्रुप्स, क्योंकि काफी लोग मना कर देते हैं इनको इम्प्लीमेंट करने से, एंड लैक ऑफ पॉलिटिकल विल, एंड देयर आर ऑल्सो सम प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टीज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज. सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.